So hello guys, welcome to SKAKON Tactical Teaches, and today see how I'm going to claim my Hamster Kombat daily cipher. So right now I'm in my Hamster Kombat account, and you click on the daily cipher right here. Click on it once and it will activate for you to enter the code, the daily cipher code. So first of all, you have to download this international Morse code, and today's code is FOMO. So as F is located at this place, O is located at this place, M is located at this place also. So FOMO, you take F, O, and M, O. So right now, I'm going to use it right now. So F represents two dots and dash with one dot at the end. So 2 dot dash 1 dot. So I'm going to use it right now. Let me cancel this thing. So 1, 2, dash and dot. So F has activated. So let's go back and enter O. So O is dash dash dash, 3 dashes. So dash dash dash. So long press on your phone to put in the dashes. So so we are on O. So O again. No, we are on M. So M is 2 dashes as well. So M is 2 dashes. Long press on your phone. So that is the 2 dashes. And we are going to O. You can remember 3 dashes. O is 3 dashes. So you go 3 dashes. And if you want to do the dot, click on it once for it to activate. I've failed. So let me try starting all over quickly. So F is 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3. So that's O. So you're going to enter M. 1, 2. And another 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, I'm done. You can see I've claimed my daily cipher this thing. So let's save it right quick. And right now claim on continue. And come in and claim your tokens. So that is it. I'm out. See, I'm still in, guys. So this is SKAKON Tactical Tech, and I teach about phone and laptops too. That's all. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment anything that you don't understand, and I'll be there to help you. So download the international Morse code and use it to do it right quick. That is it. I'm out. No, I'm still in because it hasn't ended yet. Bye.